basically, see these little points that we have here? This one in the corner. You're going to click and hold and drag that just a little off the video right there, okay? That's what I'm talking about, just a little off. Do the same thing with this corner, drag it down, there we go. Do the same thing with that corner right here. I'm gonna drag it up a little bit, make sure that we can create a nice little line right here where we can distinguish between 1, 2, and 3. Let's get this corner, we'll drag it down a little bit more. There it is, it's off the camera a little bit. I'm going to take this point right here just to kind of get it out of the way, just so it's easier to follow. Right there, perfect. We have 3 and we have 2. So 2 was behind 3. Now, 1 is behind what? 1 is behind 2. Great. So we're going to have to apply that same mask that we see to number 2. So we'll just repeat the process. We'll go down here to the green bar, this green box that we see. Click on that guy right there. We are now on V2, which is me holding this finger up, which is number 2. And then right here, we're going to find where it says Effect Controls again. It should be up there. If it's not, you can find it right here, Effect Controls. And then going to the opacity option that we see again, create that 4 polygon mask, that 4 point. There we go. There I am. Perfect. That is what we are talking about, folks. Now, I finally have this window. My number 1 video layer comes back up. And now I can click and hold and adjust these points a little bit more. There we go. Nice and easy. Perfect. Put my arm down a little bit right there. That works. And getting this last point. There we go. Drag that right there. Now, if it does look kind of wonky, that's okay. We can fix it. Like, for example, here, I might cut off my fingers or whatever. I'm going to click where it says Fit. I'm going to click on Fit, or there may be a little number in there. I'm going to go to like 25%, or maybe 10%. There we go. Let's go to 25. Nice. Okay. I'm going to rotate this a little bit nicer. There we go. Perfect. So then I can go right here. I'll click on this number, go back to Fit. Perfect. Now, if I just go through my video, I'm able to see that all 3 of my clones are right there, and I have done everything correct. Everything checks out. It's literally only a 2-second long video. You never know how fast or slow it was. That's okay. And you guys have successfully created different masks, and you've understood the power and the ability of video layering. So V1 right here, it's me holding up number 1. It's on the bottom. What's on top of 1? Well, 2 is on top of 2. And we have to create a mask so that we only see this part of 2 right here. There we go. And we have to also create a mask of 3 because we only want to see this part of 3 right there. Perfect. Now, all you guys need to do right now is literally export and then share to Microsoft Stream. So let's do that next step, okay? So once this is all edited and done, we need to make sure that we save this. So go over here to the top left and File. When you guys click on File right here, we're going to click on Save. We already saved it in the right place. So now the next step that we're going to be doing is that we're going to go to Export, which is the 3rd step right here. Export. So when you guys click Export, it's going to show this for you. Maybe it changed the source name right here, which is the file name, but we can go ahead and click on this and make sure that it doesn't say IMG. It should say the same thing that we named our sequence, which was, if you guys remember, P4 underscore first name underscore last initial. Just like that. Nice and easy, okay? So it should end in .mp4 because we're exporting an MP4. We need to make sure that it says H.264 as our format right here. There we go. And the preset, that's okay. It might say custom or something different. As long as it says match source or adaptive, whatever, it's okay. The preset's fine. Location. So we're going to change the location in which we export this video. We're going to save it to our OneDrive. So let's click on the blue letters you see right here. Perfect. We'll go to our blue cloud where we see OneDrive. We should see that period number and that first name and last initial folder right here. There you go. Now from here, you should see that the file name should be P4 John D. Perfect, just the way that we wrote it up. Go ahead and click Save. It should be going into your blue cloud at least. If you don't have this folder, it needs to be going into your blue cloud. That's the OneDrive. Okay, so save that. Now it's going to be exported there. Let's go ahead and see where we are. Should be range. You want to make sure that that's entire source. Good job. There we go. And then we can also play it to kind of preview it. It's only a couple seconds long. There we go. Nice and easy. Now, we are going to go down here and click on the big blue export button, okay? There we go. Might take a little bit of time, but honestly, it shouldn't be that bad. It's only a couple of seconds. It should be all right. All right, now that that video has exported successfully, how can we check it? Well, we can go down to our little file explorer, which is a little yellow folder down here. Click on that. And then if we go to our blue OneDrive right here, there you go. If you click on that blue cloud, you should see that period right there. And you should see the folder that you should have put it in, or you might be able to find it here. It should be P4, and then your first name, your last initial. Oh, look, there we go. If I double click on this MP4 should play. There it is, 3 different clones. Perfect, just a couple of seconds long, nice and simple. All right, so that's where it's located, all right? All right, now that we are done exporting and we are finished with our video, we are going to post it on Microsoft Stream. So real quick, we're going to head back to Schoology where we see the project 4 that we had right there, the clone yourself. So we are finishing up this tutorial right now, but now we're going to go to Microsoft Stream where we are going to post our video. So we're going to go click on this click here sign, obviously, where it says Project 4 channel. Go here and click on that. It's going to take us right here. You can either click on this link or you can click continue. It's up to you. And it's going to take you to the next link that I sent to you guys. Right here, you're going to see your period that you're currently in. The project 4 that we're going to have, and then you're going to select more files that you see right there, okay? Don't go up here and click on this. Do not do that. Make sure that you guys are in the right channel, in the right group, and that you are selecting more files to upload, okay? So click on where it says select more files. It's going to open it up for you. And then right here in your OneDrive, that blue cloud that we just mentioned, guys, in this blue cloud, you should have that folder. If it's not there, that's okay. Find exactly where you found your P4 video, right here, P4, and then your first name, your last initial, right there. That's exactly what we just exported. Let's go ahead and click that and open it. That is a MP4 video file, guys. Remember, if you see a little pink or a purple icon next to it, and like, oh, this is Project 4. No, that's not going to accept that. That is a Premiere Pro project file, okay? That is different from an MP4 video file, way different. Make sure you click on the MP4 video file that is looking like this, P4 underscore your name, okay? So click open. When we get there, it's now uploading our video. Here we go. And now it's going to fully upload. It'll process a little bit. It may take some time, but when you get this pink publish button that pops up right here, all you guys need to do is just click this, and then it says published. It's good to go. The internet will take care of the rest. It's going to process the video and post it up here so that I can grade it and check it out myself. You guys should have this video that looks exactly like this. Should have your 3 versions of yourself side by side, just like that. And then you would have done this project. Congratulations, you are finished with project number 4. Good job.